We prioritize money, career, and material success over our health. We work long hours, skip meals, sleep less, ignore our bodies waiting for something to break. You could be a billionaire, but if your body gives up, it's game over for you. We now understand why our health is important. So what are we actually doing that is destroying our health and how to prevent it? Number one, we sit too much. We spend hours arching our backs, sitting like this in front of a computer, and we are too static. Our bodies are not designed to be this static. We were hunters, we were running trying to get food, and our bodies aren't adapted to this sedative lifestyle. Many people are obese, overweight because of sitting too much. With a combination of other habits, our spines get compressed as we sit too much, This results in a bad posture, and this could cause headaches or later down the line even more serious issues. Some of us don't really have the option to choose whether they're going to sit or stand. They sort of have to do it because of their job or their work. I encourage you to start hanging. Or just grab a bar and dead hang. It will drastically decompress your spine and improves shoulder health. And overall, you could get a couple inches taller actually just by hanging. Number two, eating too much sugar. This is a classical problem in today's society. Sugar is another free drug we can get into our system. Problem we have in today's society is there is a overload, overstimulation of sugar. Because the food actually tastes good. The thing is, if you changed your diet for something more balanced, you wouldn't even crave this. If you started eating right, eating enough protein, eating enough healthy fats, you will eventually avoid this addiction that can cause many serious issues down the line. Relying too much on caffeine or other sources of energy. We don't sleep enough and we get over-caffeinated just to level it up. This could have a significant impact on your heart if you overdo it with a caffeine. Plus, you will have the crash eventually. Caffeine pushes adenosine, which is responsible for making you tired, and eventually what could happen is when the caffeine stops being effective, you will need to have another coffee or you will get like the energy dip. It's okay if you don't overdo it. There is not like a exact study telling that caffeine at all is bad. Other options we have is improve our sleep. So maybe just playing with this a little bit, trying to optimize your sleeping routine and schedule could actually be beneficial. Number four, mental health. So many young people and even older people have problem with their mental health, especially today where we are presented with so much information, so much content. It's almost impossible to have like a clear mind with specific goals. Plus, yes, people on social media seems to have this amazing life and we compare ourselves to those people. And yet, this is not your problem. This is not your issue. This is something that society set. Just going for a walk could tremendously help you clear your mind, clear your thoughts. Also, like experimenting with some breathing exercises. What I would recommend is also trying journaling. You take a piece of paper or notebook and just write down your thoughts, everything you have on mind. I can't even describe how much this helped in my life. Neglecting strength and cardio. Exercising is a big aspect of our life, and if you are not exercising, you will probably face some difficulties. Now you are young, you have fast metabolism, don't gain weight that quickly. Or you maybe do, but what will eventually happen is as you get older, the metabolism is going to get worse. Plus you build muscles, it looks great, it's potentially easier for you to find someone in your life. Yeah, just feeling better in your body, feeling strong, it's a positive benefit to have in your life. Poor habits, smoking, excessive alcohol and all this stuff. It's so easy to fall into these addictions. What's the benefit I get from this? Yeah, okay, nicotine could have potential benefits, but at the same time, like the particles you inhale and stuff, I don't know from which part of the world you are, but in my country, people, get in contact with alcohol pretty early. It could be like 15, 16 years old, some people even earlier, which is horrible. Use everything with caution, like so many people's lives get destroyed because of these addictions. Chronic stress, Here's the thing, stress could even be considered as a good thing. It keeps you accountable. If we are talking about like chronic stress, constantly being under pressure, this doesn't really help you. You could pay the price, get the heart attack by the age of 50 or something. So gotta be careful with this one as well. Your health is foundation of everything. Wealth, relationships, happiness. Start slow, but start now. Drop a comment and answer these questions so I know you finished the whole video. Which of these habits you struggling with the most? And how do you plan on solving them? Thanks for watching, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, I recommend you watch this video where I talked about purpose, everything there is to know about purpose. Go give it a watch and I will see you in the next one. As always, good luck and take care.